It's Patrick at Pals. So Jack has got the dash out of the Versailles, and you can see right here is the box that we're after. And inside that box is going to be the evaporator core. We're going to change that evaporator core, and then we're going to change the heater core. And this car will cool as it's supposed to. So you can see this is not for the faint of heart. When an evaporator core goes, the whole dash has to come out of the car. And of course, you don't want to break anything on the dash. You want it to go back just like it was when it came apart. This car is in very good condition. It's a 1979, and even though that it's almost 50 years old, it's in very, very nice shape. If you've got a Lincoln Versailles or any car that needs an evaporator core for your AC, bring it to Pals. See you soon.